Hello everyone, in today's video you're going to be learning how to make hollow objects and rectangular patterns in Fusion 360. Hello everyone, in our last video in our How to Fusion 360 series, we learned how to make holes in objects and also measure our objects. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make hollow shapes and rectangular patterns in Fusion 360. So let's get straight into it. So, first of all, as you can see on my screen, I have a rectangle with a circle extruding from the top. See, my goal for today is to make a Lego. So this Lego block will include circles that go across the rectangle and a hollow bottom. So first, to make the pattern of circles on the top, I would like to go to the top and select rectangular pattern. After I've done this, I need to make sure that the object type is what I need. So in this case, I'm going to do features because this circle I had just extruded. So when I select features, I'm able to select the circle or any object that you want to make a rectangular pattern for. Now that we have the object we want to make our pattern with, we can choose our axis. So in my case, since I have a rectangular block, I'm going to choose the length and the width of my rectangles. As you can see, we have two arrows that pop up here, going in different directions. So with these arrows, I can do something like this. I can take the arrow and drag it out. As you can see, it forms multiple different circles. It forms two more. So with this, determine how much I want to space it out and how far I want to put these circles, I can customize it. So in my case, I'm just going to do 1.15 inches. So now I have this length. I can also do it on the other side by using these other arrows. So I can do the same thing and I can drag it out. As you can see, it forms multiple different circles. And when I'm happy with my result, I can press OK. So after I do this, it forms all these different circles. Now we know how to make a rectangular pattern. But how do we hollow out our object? Well, to hollow out our object, we would need to go to the top and select the shell. So with this shell, we can offset walls and create a hollow body with different walls. So in my case, I'm going to select shell, and I will select my face in which I want to actually make my hollow object. So I'm going to select the bottom, and here I will select the bottom, and now I have where I want to make hollow. So I can customize the inside thickness whether with this arrow, as you can see, it makes it hollow but still keeps the four walls, or I can go to the side or just tab and I can type in how thick I want my walls to be. So I'm just gonna go with 0.05 inches. So I can either type in 0.05, or I can use the arrow, or I could use the menu on the right. So now that we have this, we're able to press OK, and we have a hollow object. So now you learn how to make rectangular patterns in Fusion 360 along with making hollow bodies in your designs. In our next video, we will learn how to save our projects in Fusion 360.